Imagine landing in a brand new country, walking up to a local cafe, and having a smooth, real-time conversation without knowing a single word of their language. In this video, we're looking at how you can do exactly that using iTranslate. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're breaking down how to use iTranslate for seamless voice translation and live conversations. Whether you're traveling, studying, or doing business, this tool is designed to help you read, write, and speak in over 100 languages. Getting started with live conversations on iTranslate is incredibly simple. Once you open the app, you just select your target languages and start speaking. The software automatically recognizes your voice and instantly translates what you said into the other language. You can even listen to the translations in different voices and regional dialects, which is a game changer for natural-sounding conversations. And if you find yourself without internet access while traveling, iTranslate offers offline translation, including offline voice support for 4 popular languages to help you completely avoid expensive roaming fees. Beyond basic voice translation, the platform is packed with other handy features. There's a camera translation tool that lets you instantly translate menus, signs, or cards just by pointing your phone at them. If you're texting friends abroad, you can use the iTranslate keyboard extension to translate messages directly inside your favorite chat apps. Plus, they offer an Apple Watch app, meaning you can have a standalone translator right on your wrist. One of the best parts about iTranslate is their commitment to security. They make it clear that privacy is a core value, meaning your translation data is designed to be kept safe and stays entirely yours. Now, to be completely transparent, we don't have a broad set of third-party user reviews to share with you today. However, longtime users on their site report using it reliably for years. As for pros and cons, the massive upside is the sheer versatility, from keyboard extensions to Apple Watch support and a heavy emphasis on data privacy. On the downside, keep in mind that while text translation covers over 100 languages, the offline voice translation feature is currently limited to just 4 languages. Overall, if you want a reliable, privacy-first companion to break down language barriers on the Dow, iTranslate is definitely worth keeping in your digital toolkit. Head over to itranslate.com to try it out for yourself. If you found this quick guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let us know in the comments which language you'll be translating first. See you in the next video.